Hello, you are welcome to chemistry class, and today's topic promises to be interesting and educative, and it is titled Atoms. And under the topic atoms, you will learn about the meaning of atoms, the origin of atoms, the atomic structure or the structure of an atom. You will also learn about the mass number and the atomic number. Let's get started. A long time ago, there lived a man called Democritus. He was a Greek philosopher. He explained that all matter is reducible to small particles called atomos. He explained in his theory that all matter is reducible to small particles called atomos. And atomos is a Greek word which means indivisible. That is, it cannot be divided. And so, an atom is the smallest unit of matter. An atom is the smallest unit of matter. Now, every atom has a center. Every atom has a center, and it is called a nucleus. Every atom has a center, and it is called a nucleus. And this nucleus is made of particles called protons and neutrons. The nucleus is made of particles called protons and neutrons, while electrons exist outside of the nucleus. The nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons, but the electrons exist outside of the nucleus. Now, these protons and electrons have electrical charges. The protons are positively charged, while electrons are negatively charged. But neutrons are neutral. That is, they do not carry any charge at all. The protons have a positive charge, while the electrons have negative charge. But neutrons are neutral, meaning they do not carry any charge at all. As I earlier said, protons and neutrons form the center of an atom called nucleus, and electrons spin around the nucleus in spaces, and these spaces are called electron shells. The spaces where the electrons spin around outside of the nucleus is called electron shells. Now let us look at the atomic number, the meaning of atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom. Remember that the nucleus has particles which are protons and neutrons. Now, the number of protons in the nucleus is referred to as the atomic number. The atomic number of an atom identifies which element it is. In a neutral atom, the atomic number is equal to the number of electrons orbiting the nucleus. The elements of the periodic table are listed in order of increasing atomic number. For instance, when you look at the periodic table, you will see that each element has its own box, and within that box, you will find two numbers, the atomic number and the mass number. And I said that the atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom, while the mass number tells you how many protons and neutrons are in one atom of an element. The mass number tells you how many protons and neutrons are in one atom of an element. Let us take oxygen as an example. Now, the element oxygen has 8 protons, that the atomic number is 8 because it has 8 protons. And then the mass number of oxygen is 16. The atomic number for another element, let's say hydrogen, is 1, and the mass number is equally 1. Okay, I hope you had a nice time learning about atoms. I will see you in the next class. Bye for now.